Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. This is Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learner's Book and I am Ahsan. In my previous videos, we did unit number 1, 2, 3 and 4 with you, and today I'm going to directly start with page number 67 and it is unit number 5. Okay, working with numbers. Okay, first we will start this unit by a drill, by a small warm up. Ask your students or the kids to count up to 10 loudly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count on your fingers, do it 3 times, and then start this chapter. How many cars? Write the number of cars in the boxes. It is very easy thing to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cars. But one thing here you should tell to your kids that what is this? This is a number frame. This is called a number frame. So how many flowers are there in this number frame? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Tell them that when the first row is full, they are always 5. In a number 10, in a number frame, when the first row is full, it is always 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So there are 6 flowers in the row. In the number 10 frame. Draw the domino pattern for 6. So we have to draw a domino. We know that there are two parts in the dominoes, and how will we draw? We can draw like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or we can draw it this way as well. Both are correct, but you should have a partition in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now we often put two groups together to add them. We want to know how many how many we have altogether. Okay, here they are telling us that sometimes we add up the numbers and sometimes we have to subtract them. If someone has taken our things away, we should know that how many things are taken away and how much is left. So we can do this drill or practice by little grocery items. If you have how many these bananas are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 bananas, and if you give 3 bananas to someone, like if you have given 3 bananas to someone, then how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are left. Or 3 bananas are given, then 5 are left. Or you can do it this way, that you had 5 bananas and somebody has given you 3 more, then how many do you have? Okay, and let me clean it. What is this? Okay, addition. Add quantities together by combining two sets and begin to remember some number bonds. Okay, in this unit we will work with number bonds as well. Add two groups together to find out how many you have. Here there are red apples and green apples. So we can make up a statement. How many apples are there altogether? For this we will write that we have 3 green apples plus 2 red apples, and the total are 5 apples. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. Okay, next. Draw one more. Count how many objects are there now. Okay, we have to draw one more. And by drawing one more, how many objects do we have now? There are 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4. Okay, how will you do it this way? Here it is written 3 add 1 equals 4, and see they have written here complete the number sentence. How will we make a sentence for it? 3 plus 1 equals 4. A number sentence is always written with an operation sign in the middle and is equals to before the answer. What are operations? We have four major operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are four major operations, and when we write anything by using these signs is called a number sentence, like 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6. So when we have these two things in our statement, a sign in the middle and is equals to, then it is called a number sentence. Okay, how will you write a number sentence for it? 2 add 2 equals 4, or we can write 1 add 3 equals 4, or we can write 3 add 1 equals 4. We can write so many addition sentences for one answer. Okay, 5 add 1 equals what? 5 add 1 equals 6. Now we will do it on number frame. Put 5 counters on a 10 frame, add 1 more, that's 6. See, there are 5 counters, then she added up 1 more and she has 6 now. Okay, now I think this is activity, because they are saying use counters and 10 frame to help you add 1 more. Kids can do this activity in the class or at home as well. Take a chart paper, make a number 10 frame, and make a number 10 frame same like this. And if you don't have counters, you can use buttons, beads, or something small, like you can use grapes as well. Okay, so first is 6 add 1 equals what? 1 2 3 4 5 6, add 1. 6 add 1 will give us 7. You can count and tell that they are 7. Okay, then 7 add 1. If there are 7, we add 1, they will give us 8. 8 add 1. If there are 8, we add 1. See, they were 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we added 1. Then we will get 9. And 9 add 1 will give us 10. If we add only 1 in our number, it will give us next counting number. Okay, by adding only 1 in the existing number, we will get next counting number. For example, if there is 13 and if we add 1, if it will give us 14. 14 is the next counting number of 13. 7 add 1 will give us 8. 8 is the next counting number of 7. Next page. Okay. Write a number sentence for this story. It is very easy and interesting thing to do. First, how many children are playing in the park? There are 3 and 2 more joined in. 3 plus 2 will give us 5. We can see, count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 children are playing in the park. So what is this? 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 is the number sentence. Okay, complete the number sentence for this story. First, see how many birds are there in this first picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 birds, and then 2 more joined in. 5 plus 2 will give us 7. Okay, 5 add 2 equals 7. We can write it as 5 plus 2 is equals 7. Tell your partner what is happening in this story. Write the number sentence. Okay, first, how many children are playing? 4 children are playing and 5 more joined in. 5 more joined in. Then how many are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 in all. And what is this? This is the number sentence we have written. 3 add 2 equals 5. Here we will write 5. Here we will write 5. And this pictorial diagram of 3 plus 2 is called number bond. What is this? It is called number bond. Number bond. Or the other name of this pictorial diagram is part whole diagram. Part whole diagram. Okay, what do we call it? We call it number bond or part whole diagram. Now put the counters on a 10 frame to find out. Write the number sentence. Okay, they did it. They put 3 here, 3 here. 3 plus 2 will give us 5. The same thing they have shown here on the number frame. 3 plus 2 will give us 5. Okay. When the top row of number 10 frame is full, there are 5 counters. Yes, when the top row is full, when it is full, there are 5 counters. And I combined, this boy is saying when I combine all the counters, I get 5. How many counters are there? Combine the parts to find the whole. Yes, we have 2 parts given. We have to find the whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. 4 add 2 equals 6. 4 add 2 equals 6, and we will draw them here. 6. Okay, we will not draw it like this 4, 5, 6. No. This way is easy. 5 and 1, 6. But when we have to show pairs, then we will draw them in pairs like this, and this. But here they didn't ask us to show pairs. Okay, use the part whole diagram to combine the parts. Use the 10 frame to help you find how many objects are there. Okay, they said that use the part whole diagram and use the number 10 frame. So we have to use number 10 frame and part whole diagram for all of these questions. For the first question we will use this one, and for rest of the questions we will draw them. Okay, it is 5 plus 3 and it will give us 8, and we will draw it like this: 3, 4, 5 and 3. It will give us 8. For this question, 6 plus 4, what will we do? We will ask the students to draw a small frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we draw 4 lines inside, they will give us 5 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 and then 4. 6 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. And we will show it in number bond as well. 6, 4, 10. Make them in circles. I'm drawing it very small here because kids must have smaller space on the book to do this. But they have to do. Okay, I hope you can do it for rest of these two. Or, see, this is the inverse. 3 plus 5 is the inverse of 5 plus 3. 4 plus 6 is the inverse of 6 plus 4. So no need to show the same representation again. You can directly write the answers. It is your choice how you want your child to go through. If they are understanding it well, then it's okay. They can skip drawing for last two parts. Okay, estimate. Estimate is just a good guess. They're saying estimate the total number of spots on each domino. Remember that an estimate is a good guess. Write a number sentence for each domino. And was your estimate close? Okay, let's see. I think there are 7. My estimate is there are 7. And these are, I think maybe they are 10. So let's count. They are 1, 2, 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Let's do 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 will give us 6. And the other one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So my estimate was close or accurate here, and here I was so close. I said 7 and the actual answer was 6. Complete each part whole diagram. It is something you have the easiest way of doing this part whole diagram is counting onwards. You can ask your students like subtract 4 from 10, you will get this answer. That is also easy, but for me how I go with the students is count onwards. Okay, how much will you add in 4 to get 10? Okay, 4 we already have. We will not start counting with number 4. We will start counting with number 5. I am opening my fingers and I am drawing the fingers on the screen. Number 4 is given. I'll start from number 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. How many fingers did I open? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have opened 6 fingers. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Got it? Okay, 7 plus 0 is what? 7 plus 0 will remain 7. So 7 plus 0 is 7. Okay. Did you find out the missing part? Yes. Ask your partner what they did. Okay. The question was, how did you find? Okay. We find it with the counting onward method. Okay, what is this? It is interesting. It is called addition wall. Let's do this addition wall. It is we will do it like this. We have to add these two numbers and write it on the top. 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. 2 plus 3 is 5. And 3 plus 2 is again 5. And now we will add these two numbers. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, now we don't have any other base number. Then how will we do? We will come back from the bottom, from the top. 9 is given. What will you add in 4 to make it 9? 4 is given. We will start counting from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers did I open? I have opened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay. Now, let me remove extra mess from the screen. Okay. 4, there is 4. How will we get 4? What will we add in 2 to get 4? 2 plus 2 will give us 4. 2 plus what will give us 5? 2 plus 3 will give us 5. 2 plus 3 will give us 5. So we have done this book till page number 75, and inshallah I will do this page number 76 later with you in another video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.